Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code in your operating system. First, open the browser, search for VS Code. The first result from code.visualstudio.com is the one we are searching for, so click on that. Click on this arrow mark, go to other downloads. If your system is 64-bit, then click on this to download, and if your system is 32-bit, then click on this to download. After the process of downloading is completed, we can see the icon of Visual Studio Code on our desktop. Double click on it, accept the agreement, click on next, click on next, next. Check all these boxes, click on next, install. This may take some time. After installing, click on finish. And now Visual Studio Code is opened. That's it for installing the Visual Studio Code. If you like the video, don't be afraid to smash that like button on your screen, and for more videos do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.